Okay, where's your primary cover gasket I'm going to use?
Send it over here.
Oh. Don't forget to put grease on this so you don't lose this thing.
Careful, it's going to get on the outside of the container.
That's right. I don't know who did that. It wasn't me.
Right. So which one of these is the one with the orange on it?
First thing I do is clean up your mess over here. You got an oil leak going over here. Evidently your motor still leaks oil.
Yeah, it's a panhead.
It must be a panhead. That's how you identify them. Yeah, sure. Okay, we got 3 different gaskets. Figure them out yet? Lay them out flat. There's a push rod seals. We know what that one is. Okay, you got 9 holes and 8 holes. See these 2 here? They have holes in them.
Extras.
This one doesn't have a hole, it has a slot.
Groovy.
So, no, it's groovy, yeah, but it's groovy over there. See, yours over there does not have a hole down there in the bottom. Now, these are cheaper. Especially this one here is our cheapest one. That's next. This costs the most. But this is the one that probably fits. So we're going to try the cheapy one here because we know you are an expensive customer. Okay, so here, go put that on there. Make sure your primary cover is dry. Okay, we're concerned about it. See this hole right here? We want to make sure there's no way of getting the oil out of the bike if you use this gasket. We don't care about that. We kind of care about down here.
Doesn't look like it even fits the damn thing like it's supposed to.
We don't care about that.
You don't.
Okay, this gasket on your bike will fit. See, it's got a nice thick thing here, right here. So it doesn't matter if that hole comes out a little bit. So this will work on your bike.
Okay.
On this part. Now we got to put on the cover and see if the cover will let us do it also. See, the cover has lots of areas too to leak through. So, say you have this gallery all through here. Don't line up yours. We're lining up these ones.
Yeah.
We only care about right here. We don't care about this up in that area. So, see, we got an area all the way around here. It's close right here.
This one leaks out the
That's where
bottom.
it leaks.
Okay, so it looks like this gasket will work. We don't care about these voids that open up. Now go give me that 9-hole gasket, or the 8-hole gasket, I mean. The expensive one.
Fancy gasket?
The one that fits. It's one of those modern format material ones. You know, so
that thing fits like it's made for it.
I know. It's almost like it was made for
Let's
it.
run with it.
See how it covers everything all up? It lines up. And all your holes kind of line up. Where's your dowel pin at? We missing a dowel? No, it's over there. Okay, now does this fit that part there now?
Well, let's just try that now. Next.
Don't worry about that tripod. That tripod is killer.
What do you think?
I'm going to make sure it seals down here. It appears that it might actually work. Yes, so this one costs a lot more money, but it actually fits on.
We'll do this.
And you don't have to put any goop on it either. Unless you have a deep scratch and
This one's
something.
got grease on it though.
Did you grease it already? He already greased it already. I'm thinking maybe we should scrape some of this junk off of here. But other than that, this has no nicks in it, I can tell. Okay, so we're going to go for the cheap one, then is what we're going to use?
No, I'm using this guy here.
Oh, we're going to use the expensive one. Oh, jeez.
It fits.
The one that fits. There you go. Well, the other one fits too, kind of. It just has a few extra areas that don't quite line up correctly. Okay, we'll be back. We got to get some gasket scrapers and get this junk off of here you had on there from before. That should have been done like, 6 months ago. There you go. Okay, get it all cleaned up. Look at that, it's like brand new now. Look at that. Looks like the other piece. Okay, we got to put a little grease in there so it's lubed. You get this nice and cleaned up also. Got a chain in there, clearance. We know that works. Yeah, we're good to go. What kind of bolts we using? Screws? Straight slot, perfect.
Factory.
My favorite. I like straight slots. I hate Phillips. Okay, so we can go ahead and put this all back up on there. The gasket requires no sealer because it's that new style format material. Be like a new bike. Just slam it on there and put it together. Big screwdriver. Look at that. Got the gasket in there?
Oh, what am I doing?
I don't know.
How's the gasket go? Here we go.
The gasket doesn't
Don't
work.
forget this.
Unless you put the gasket on there, it does not work.
Don't forget this.
That's the secret. You have to actually use the gasket to have it work. Okay, I'm going to put it right here.
Yeah.
You got to pick up the front.
Yeah.
Once you get it in there. Okay, so we're up in there.
It feels a little bit. What's on the end?
Is there a gasket issue or something?
Yeah, it was on
Pushing
the
on it, pushing the gasket forward. You're jamming it forward with the gasket. Okay, try that there. Back it up about a ½ inch. There you got it. Hold on to it. One for you. Let that one go in. Wind up.
Okay.
No, it's not going. Sounds like a bike again. Fits now.
Just start them all for you, slow getting down. You think?
I do. You want me to just tighten every one at a time? Just cram them in there as much as I can. Do I start in the middle and work my way out, or just go on the outside, work in?
Do it the way you're going to do it.
Oh. Can I get one of those electric screwdrivers and go over the bike with the marks?
If you like.
Like spider tracks everywhere. I like those guys on TV that do that. That's neat. You can tell they never worked with a straight slot before. Jeez, hasn't looked like this in quite a while. How many more screws we got? Oh, yeah, that appears we have all of them. Nope, we're missing one. I need one more screw. Screw. Oh, it's right over there somewhere.
Losing all sorts of shit. Huh? Full set here. Right there. There's that.
There's the screw. Right where you hit it.
You find your clip though that you lost.
Yeah.
Yet. Maybe when we move the bike, it'll be underneath the tire or something.
Maybe. Right where you put it. These don't match very well. You want to get the grinder out, you got like a 1/4 inch gap here and high on this side. Is this factory tolerancing? Feel the offset?
Yeah. Well, so much as you see it down there, care less.
We don't look down there? Where's the battery at?
Right over here.
Why don't you get my little mini charger? Well, go put it in the other room and get it on that little mini charger by my race bike. Come back tomorrow, it'll be charged up. Okay, so we tighten these up. If you use an impact knocker, you can get these good and tight. If you just go by missile, you only get them so tight. Hurt your fingers. They're tight. We'll come back tomorrow and hit them again. All right, there you go. Mount it up in there. It's not too bad along the top here, but down here is a big mismatch. Look at that. Kickstand where? Big mismatch back here too. Factory doesn't match with the crap. All right, there you go. Almost looks like a vehicle again.
Looking good.
I have to raise this up here and put that in too. All right, that's it for tonight. Tomorrow we'll get the chain guard up on there, get the chain adjusted all the way.
Put the solo seat on it.
Put all the other junk on. You get solo seat now?
Mm-hmm.
White? Oh my god. Look at that white seat up there.
Had to match this buddy seat if I...
You gonna watch the white paint? You got a red seat to match the red paint?
Nope.
White matches the white walls, I guess. All right, so hopefully tomorrow we'll light it off and get it running again.
Back on the road.
There's a gasket up here we gotta do. We didn't put that on yet either. Okay, that's it for tonight.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.